Do you know what indirect questions are? Lingportal Online School presents Indirect Questions Test. Can you tell me where Grafton Street is? Do you have an idea what car he drives? I'd like to know why she was late. Do you know if the play has started yet? I wonder if they are coming with us. Can you tell me where you have been? Do you know how long he has lived there? I wonder if they will come to see us. Did you think about whether we should inform her? Can you answer me whether or not she did go to the theatre? Which sentence is correct? I want to know if she can ride a horse. Which sentence is correct? Could you tell me why you did this? Stay with us and keep on practicing.